I tried for 2 days, but I still can't do it. I know an expert who can help me. Can you help me solve this Rubik's Cube?
Instead of solving it for you, what if I showed you how to do it?
Yeah. Is that serious that you're going to teach me how to do it?
Yeah, sure. I can teach you a way that is good for beginners.
Okay. Hi, welcome to me and my brother's world. Today we're going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Before starting, let's learn about the parts of the cube. This is the center. It is in the middle of every single color and it does not move. When you move this layer, it moves all of the other layers, but this stays in place. Next is the edges. Edges are in the middle of the corners and have 2 colors on each side. The last piece is the corners, which have 3 colors on each side and are on the corner.
Now we're going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
To solve this Rubik's Cube, I will be showing you how to do it in beginner steps. The first step is to locate the color that you want. For me, I will be choosing green, but you can use any other color you want. Now you have to find a piece with green and any other colors. So I have located this piece which has green, white and red. So it will be going in green, white and red. To do this, you have to move the piece away from these 2 centers and pull the side you want down. Now turn it to the right again and put it back up. Now this piece is in place with this matching red, this matching white, and this matching green. To do this again, you have to locate another piece. This one has green, white, and orange. So it has to go in the green, white, and orange part. So I will do the same thing. Turn this to the left, bring this down, turn this to the right, and bring it up again. So this is in piece. Now, if your piece is up here and you want to get it into another place, you have to pull this down, turn the bottom to the right, and put it back up. Now the piece is down here, so you can do what we previously did, to locate the location of it and put it into place again. Now to do it with these side pieces. The side pieces have to go here and match up with the center. So for this is yellow and green, so it has to go in the yellow and green piece right here. So I will have to turn the middle so it's no longer matching with the yellow, and turn it again, pull the side that you want down, turn the middle piece so the 2 greens match, and then put it back up. Now you have to finish the top layer by doing these steps. If you find a piece that's on the bottom and you want to get it to, for example, this one, you have to first go to the side you want to get it on and make sure it's right under. Then move this to the left or to the right depending on which side it is. Then bring this down and bring this green square for me to in line with this and pull it up, so now it's on the bottom layer. Then do it left, down, right, up again. Now you can see that I have this row done. You have to do this until you have this top layer done. If you find that there's a piece over here, bring it to where you want to place it. So in here, I would bring it here. Then put it to the left, down, put it back in the middle and up. Now you can see that my top layer is done, so I'll just align the colors with the centers. Now for these pieces, find the piece that you need. So for example, this one I would need a piece that's white and orange. So here's the piece that's white and orange. Now bring it to the color that's on this side. Depending on which one you have to put it to, do it to the other side. So I have to put it on the left side, so I would turn it to the right side. Then bring this layer down, put it to the left, bring this layer up. Now you can see that this is not there, so you would keep on doing the procedure from the last step. So bring this to the left, down, right, up, and this piece is in place. Do this for the rest. If there's a piece in its spot but turned the other way, put a different piece in it and to take it out and put it the right way. So for this I would be putting the red and blue piece, but you can choose any piece like the blue and yellow piece. Now this piece, the red and white one, is free, so I would put it back the way it's supposed to go. Now you have finished 2 layers. Now it's time to move to the last layer. Make sure you have completely finished the first 2 layers. Now you have to try to identify a pattern in the top layer. If you have a straight line, you will only have to do the following step once. But if you have an L, or if you only have a dot or any other pattern, you will have to do it many times. So first is to take the front of the face, turn it 90 degrees, then take this, put it up, turn the top 90 degrees to the left, bring this down, then turn the top 90 degrees to the right, and then turn this. Now you can see that I have a line in the middle, so I'll only have to do this one more time. Now it will form a cross. Now you have formed a cross on the top, and you have a complete 2 layers. Once you form the cross, you have to find 2 of the matching center edge pieces and put them to the left and to the top of you. Now take this right layer, put it up, turn it to the left twice, and put it back down. Now turn the top layer to the left, put the right layer up, turn the top layer to the right, and then put it back down. Once you turn it to the right again, you'll see that all these are matching, like this. Now that you've formed a cross on the top and matched these sides, you will have to find a corner piece that's matching. So for this, it will be the blue, yellow, and red piece that's in the correct place, because it's in the blue, yellow, and red place. Put your right thumb near it, then put this left layer up, turn the top 90 degrees to the right, put the right layer up, turn the top 90 degrees to the left, put the left layer down, turn the top 90 degrees to the right, and put the right layer down. Now once you've turned this 90 degrees again, you have to complete this step until you see that all of these are in the correct place, but it doesn't matter if they're in the correct orientation. So as you can see, these are in the correct place. This one is even in the correct orientation, but the rest are in the correct place as well. This is red, white, and blue, as well as this. This is red, white, and blue. This is orange, white, and blue, and this is orange, white, and blue. And this is in the correct orientation. So if you have any that are in the correct orientation, you would put your right thumb near them and complete the following step. If you don't, you can place your right thumb anywhere. Now, put the left layer up, turn this twice, turn the top layer twice, put the left layer down, turn the top once again to the right, put the left layer up, turn the top layer to the right again, and then put it down. Now, you have to do it to the left, to the right, put the right layer up, turn the top to the right twice, put the right layer down, turn the top to the left once, then put the right layer up, turn the top to the left once, and put it down. If you get this formation where these two layers are done and these two are not, these two pieces are not, you have to put your left hand to that and put your right hand over here and complete the previous step again. You may get this again, but keep on doing the step until you finish it. You have solved the Rubik's Cube.
Can you tell more information on Rubik's Cubes?
Sure. The Rubik's Cube was invented by a person named Erno Rubik in 1974. The first Rubik's Cube came out in 1980 and was called the Magic Cube because once you solved it, it felt like magic. The first world record set was in 1982 and it was 32 seconds by 2 people. Now the record has been brought down to under 5 seconds. It's now 4.22 seconds that was set in 2018.
That's good information on Rubik's Cubes. I didn't know that was so easy. Can you do it fast?
Sure.
I'll scramble it for you. Here you go.
Okay, I'll solve it then. I hope you find this video helpful in solving your Rubik's Cube.
Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay home, stay safe, and bye!